Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view all the linked devices on your Viber account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various settings and features for your Viber account. Once you're in the More section, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where all your account preferences and configurations are stored, giving you control over how Viber functions on your device. Inside the Settings menu, you'll need to find and tap on Account. This section contains all the important information related to your Viber profile and account security, including where your account is currently active. Next, tap on Desktop and Tablets. This is the specific area where Viber keeps track of all the devices that are currently linked to your account. It's a useful feature because it lets you monitor which devices have access to your conversations and account information. And there you have it. Right here, you can now see all the linked devices on your Viber account. This list shows you every desktop computer and tablet that's currently connected, helping you keep track of your account's security and access points. If you notice any unfamiliar devices, this is where you'd be able to identify them and take action if needed. That's all there is to it. You've now accessed your linked devices list in Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.